Now, after installing all that which you see, it is not here in the dependencies or here. Forget about these other dependencies. The dependency that I want to check to conduct check is only from on my screen line 42 all the way to line all the way to line 19 and 42 to line 19. I want to check them and make sure you are there. So it is, you can see it is also installed. So I can just remove this and I continue with my main terminal. Now then, after installing that, remember we had done what? We had done this component. We had done this component and we had done a lot of things here. We had done this background variant which we set it to blue. We had also this text which we had set it to white, and we had this custom button which we had some props which are here, and we sprayed other props that may be present. We also take button props and we said they should be coming from this type, which is actually this one, and we say title is a string variant, big background variant, and text variant. You can see these variants here. And then back here we did this because we did hand these props because of this page variant prop. It having some problem. For example, if we remove this, let me just do a revision a bit. You see there is a variant here, all right?